Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Jobscan Power Edit, a comprehensive guide to help you optimize your resume and cover letter for any job application. Jobscan Power Edit is a powerful tool that helps you tailor your application materials to the specific job you are applying for, increasing your chances of getting noticed by the hiring manager and passing through applicant tracking systems. To start using Jobscan Power Edit, first create an account on the Jobscan website and upload your resume and cover letter. Then select the job posting you are applying for and paste the job description into the Jobscan platform. The system will analyze the job description and provide you with a list of keywords and phrases that are most relevant to the job. Next, click on the Power Edit button to access the editing tool. This is where you can optimize your resume and cover letter to match the requirements of the job. The Power Edit tool will highlight the sections of your resume and cover letter that need improvement and suggest alternative phrases and keywords to use. The key to using Jobscan Power Edit effectively is to focus on the most important keywords and phrases that are relevant to the job. Use the suggested keywords and phrases to rewrite your resume and cover letter, making sure to use them in context and not overusing them. It is also important to keep your resume and cover letter concise and easy to read, using clear and simple language that is free of errors. One of the most useful features of Jobscan Power Edit is the ability to track your progress and see how well your resume and cover letter match the requirements of the job. The system will provide you with a match rate, which shows how well your application materials align with the job description. The goal is to achieve a match rate of at least 80%, which will significantly increase your chances of getting noticed by the hiring manager. To get the most out of Jobscan Power Edit, it is essential to use it in conjunction with other job search strategies. Make sure to tailor your resume and cover letter to each job you apply for, and use the tool to optimize your application materials for each position. It is also important to proofread your resume and cover letter carefully to ensure that they are error-free and easy to read. In conclusion, Jobscan Power Edit is a powerful tool that can help you optimize your resume and cover letter for any job application. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can use the tool to increase your chances of getting noticed by the hiring manager and passing through applicant tracking systems. Remember to focus on the most important keywords and phrases. Keep your resume and cover letter concise and easy to read, and use the tool in conjunction with other job search strategies to achieve the best results.